Wondering how to install Docker on Linux easily? It's a common problem, especially considering the various benefits Docker brings to the table. For those unfamiliar, Docker is a platform that simplifies software development by creating isolated environments called containers. These containers help to keep projects organized, increase efficiency, and make collaboration easier. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Docker is a valuable tool to have in your toolkit. In this video, you are going to learn the simplest way to install Docker on Linux. First things first, we need to fetch the Docker script. How do we do that? Well, we use the curl command. This handy tool allows us to pull the Docker script straight from the Docker website. But wait, there's more. We'll be using a few specific flags with our curl command. Now, the F flag makes our command fail silently. This means it won't make a fuss if it encounters any errors. It'll just quietly stop. Next, we have the L flag. This tells curl to follow any redirects, ensuring we get to the right location. Lastly, the capital S flag is for show errors, which will display any errors that occur. Please note, we might need to do some proxy configurations to make sure everything runs smoothly. Alright, we've got our Docker script. Now that we have the Docker script, it's time to run it. With the Docker script in our hands, we can proceed to the installation. Now, if you're wondering why we're using a script, it's because scripts are a convenient way of automating processes, and in this case, it simplifies our Docker installation. So how do we run this script? Simple. We use the sudo command followed by sh, and then the name of our script, which is getdocker.h. In this string of commands, sudo stands for superuser do. It allows us to execute commands with the security privileges of another user, typically the superuser, or in simpler terms, it lets us perform tasks that require administrative or root permissions. Following sudo, we have sh. This is short for shell, and it's a command language interpreter. It reads and executes commands from a file, line by line. In our case, this file is our Docker script. So when we type sudo sh getdocker.sh, we're telling our system to run the Docker script with super user permissions. This ensures the script has all the necessary permissions to install Docker on our system successfully. And just like that, with a few keystrokes and a bit of patience, Docker installs itself onto your Linux system. No complicated steps, no confusing jargon. Just a straightforward script doing all the heavy lifting for you. And voila! Docker is installed on your Linux system in less than 5 minutes. It's that simple. Let's summarize what we've covered today. We downloaded the Docker script using the curl command and then ran this script with sudo to install Docker. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy the benefits of Docker on your Linux system.